If there's one thing Americans like, it's underdogs. If there's two things Americans like, it's violence and underdogs. But if there are three things that Americans like, it is probably, there's a good chance that cheeseburgers is somewhere in the top 15. Today, we are making Soldier 76's red, white, and blue burger. The all-American Overwatch standard. We all know that Grandpa Grill, Soldier 76, the old man, Jack Moe, is a huge fan of the cheeseburger, and that's what I'm going to be making for you today. The signature Soldier 76 red, white, and blue burger. So, as always on this show, the first thing we do is go over the ingredients. I have one bun. It's made of bread. It is not cut, but I'm gonna have to cut it later. Mystery bread. I got gorgonzola. That's Zola. That's the blue in my red, white, and blue. Is that Zola? We're gonna put that in there. I got red leaf lettuce. That's red. I got tomatoes. Those are red. I got some pickles. Because if you got pickles, you got a burger. And if you got a burger, you better have some fucking pickles on it. Duke's mayonnaise. We got Duke's. This is the only mayonnaise worth buying at a store. If it ain't Duke's, don't buy it at a store because it's garbage. Obviously, we're going to be using ground beef. This is an 80-20 chuck. It's a good fat content meat for this burger. It's what I want on here. And we're going to have salt and pepper because those are the only two seasonings that I ever need on a cheeseburger. And you ever need on a cheeseburger, unless you're making something fancy. So let's do it. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you how to do this.
I'm just getting started.
America, the beautiful, all the words in song. It's not what you sing, it's how you sing it. You gotta be patriotic. Now, let's get into the burger. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get our ground beef. Ground beef is the core, the crux, the big part. And ground beef, once it's been ground up like this, you do not want to mend it. You don't want to over form it or beat it up because the more you mess with it, the more likely it is to be tough and not delicious like you want it to be. So burger patty is about that, right? Fits in the palm of my hand, a normal human hand. But we're just gonna lightly, I'm not destroying it here. We're gonna make a ball. The ball is made, and then we're gonna press it out. But first, I'm gonna take some of this gorgonzola and I'm gonna just mix that in, and I'm gonna meld the gorgonzola cheese into the burger. Yeah, so you still got the same ball, but I know that there's a pocket of gorgonzola in there, and that's important. Once I have the ball, I actually can just press it down. That's something that we learn over time when you're in the kitchen. Just press the ball down, and you get the shape that you generally want. Then you're good to go. I put a divot in the middle of mine so it cooks a little bit easier in the center. You don't have to do that, but it's something that we do in my family. Now, I'm gonna take some salt and pepper, and I'm gonna salt and pepper my burger. I took the salt and the pepper, and I mixed it in the bowl, and then I'm just gonna do it right over that. And you only wanna salt and pepper the burger right before it goes on the heat, because otherwise the salt will pull moisture out of the burger the longer it sits on there. Gorgonzola burger, salt, pepper, divot, donut, circle, in the pan. See, now, while the burger's cooking, I cut my bun open, like that. Just cut it 3/4 of the way, left the last part still on there. I'm gonna do just a nice little bit of Duke's mayonnaise, nothing crazy, nothing, you know, crazy American. That's how I like it. That's good. I'm gonna take a couple pickles. Me, I love pickles, and I love pickles on a burger. I do 4. Boom, nice little circle on the bottom. Tomato, big thick cut of tomato, because Americans love to indulge. Red leaf lettuce, like I said. Now I'm gonna go to my fridge, and I'm gonna get my cheese. What kind of cheese? What kind of cheese? It's got gorgonzola on it, Brian. You don't need more cheese. You're wrong. You're stupid. It always needs American cheese.
That's more like it.
Take my burger, flip that bad boy over. Woo! I'm just gonna put the cheese on there. Now, if you want to melt the cheese quickly, you put a lid on that. It'll melt the cheese real quick like. I don't want to do that. I'm not trying to cook it that quickly. I just want to let the cheese naturally melt over that. Give it time. Let it get that flavor in there. And I flipped it when the burger was already just about like it was pink in the middle, brown, but I hadn't flipped the other side. So I put the cheese on there. It's gonna melt. You see the burger? Can you see the side of it? And how it's pink in the middle?
Yeah.
That's what you.
Smells like freedom.
You can just hear Fenrir in the background. Don't feel bad, guys. I'm gonna feed him some treats after this because he's been a good boy for the most part. Got it done. Got the burger ready. The only other ingredient I need is mustard. You thought I was gonna put ketchup on this burger. Fuck that. I'm not ruining it with ketchup. It doesn't need it. All right, so do 7. Oh, it's splattered. Boom. Oh, say, can you see this burger is so pretty with the mustard and lettuce and tomato and pickles and Duke's mayonnaise and burger meat 80-20 chuck. That's it. It's done. Soldier 76 red, white, and blue burger. And I'm gonna fold this bad boy up like I said I do, because I can. Look, see? The bread holes on the back end. That catches all the juices so they don't get all over your nice picnic clothes. I don't know if people outside the South have picnic clothes. No? I don't think they do. Look at that. And it's mine. I get to eat it. Mm. Some of it flew out the side. I caught it with my mouth, the way the Lord taught me. Pink on the inside, brown on the outside. Little white pockets of gorgonzola. Just like Gucci said, pink on the inside, brown on the outside. Cheeseburger paint job. That's the song. We all know it. Everybody knows that song. But that's it. That's the gorgonzola burger. That's the red, white, and blue. Soldier 76 red, white, and blue burger. That burger is delicious. That burger is phenomenal. And you can't go wrong. It's so good. Thank you so much for watching Cooking with Lubu, Overwatch Edition, Soldier 76, red, white, and blue burger. Jack Mo, big fan of the burgers, big fan of the Grillinium Falcon right here. That's what we call this bad boy. Check out Overwatch. It's a Blizzard game. It's a fantastic game. Hopefully they never replace Reinhardt, who's the actual best character. And that's it. That's it from me here at Cooking with Lubu. If you like the show, please subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends and family, show off for your people. Go home, make this yourself, and be like, I made this recipe on myself. I don't give a fuck if you steal this recipe. I do not care if you tell people you invented it. I don't care. Just make something. Go home and make some food yourself, and you'll make me happy doing that. And that's it. Have a great day.